This is Peter Dew from Public Speaking Dynamics, and today I want to give you a tip that will really work in your favor whenever you're running a workshop, a presentation, or a facilitation skill. And that is arrive early at the venue. My philosophy is always be the first to arrive, but I like to arrive up to 1 hour before the start time. Now that enables me to set up, that enables me to test out my equipment, that enables me to walk along the platform, get familiar with the feeling, the surround, check in the air conditioning, so if I need to cool it or increase it, and I generally like the room cooler than warmer, and just meet and greet people as they arrive. You know, there's always that person that arrives 10, 15, 30 minutes before a presentation. They've driven a long way and they've rocked up early and they're there, and all they want to do is talk to you, and you're still trying to sort out your equipment. So I think arriving early, not just 5 minutes early, but well and truly before everyone, enables me to set up, become comfortable, greet and meet people as they arrive, and it also gives me time to drink, time to relax, time to do any meditation or deep breathing that I might do. We've all seen that trainer that kind of walks in 5 minutes before the seminar's meant to start, and they're plugging in their laptop and wondering why the internet's not working, and can someone help me get the laptop talking to the PowerPoint data projector, and it looks really unprofessional. Arrive early at your venue. Even if you know the venue well, arrive early, and that'll set you up for success. This is Peter Dew, wishing you well on your public speaking journey.